Hold on. I had to get my HD glasses. What is up, YouTube? I'm sorry, I was supposed to upload another video, but it did not go through. It ain't like anybody watch this shit anyway unless I make you subscribe to my shit. But anywho, I'm gonna make this quick. I have so many people always coming to me asking for advice. How do I do this? How do I approach this? How do I do this? And bottom line, I'm gonna just sit here and tell you, it's confidence. Like, if you don't have confidence, you're not going to be able to do anything. You're not going to be able to pull anybody, especially people that you want. Nobody feels the need to go outside their comfort zone to actually do anything, and nobody feels the need to, how do I say this? Nobody feels the need to put in the effort. And if you don't put in the effort, nothing's going to happen. I'm going to start off by saying that confidence is key. Even if you put prayer on it, you still have to have the confidence to even accept the gift. I'm not trying to be harsh, I'm not trying to be rude, but bitch, like, where's your confidence? People can smell confidence just like people can smell fear. You know what I mean? Job interviews, find a new partner, making friends. And I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you, bitch, if you ain't got confidence, you better fake that shit. And sometimes, I'm not gonna sit here and lie, you have people around you that'll fuck up your confidence on a daily basis, you wouldn't even know that. And this goes for men and women and teenagers. I'm not gonna lie, because teenagers, they got problems with confidence too. Just because somebody wear Fendi, Prada, Dior, that shit don't mean anything. All that confidence. Stop giving a fuck about what people say about you. Like, on some real shit. Stop giving a fuck what people think about you, first of all. Because that's how motherfuckers fuck up. Fake that shit. You never heard of fake the funk? You never heard of fake it till you make it? You gotta start somewhere, bro. People always ask me, where do I find the confidence to do half of the things that I do? I have the confidence because who gonna check me? If I wanted to jump off the fucking roof, nobody can stop me. If I wanted to go have an orgy with a couple of strangers, there's nobody that's gonna fucking stop me. Except for those STDs. I don't do STDs. It's hard to do, but it's not hard to do. And I know that sounds like such a confusing conundrum. One of the worst things that you could possibly hear when it comes to that whole subject is no. They can't hurt your feelings because they already said no. They can probably hurt your feelings more. But the worst thing you can hear is no. Like, rejection is a part of life. Like, that is literally what life is. You have to see it as a not yet or it's not your time. Get your ass up off the floor and try again. That horse is not going to leave you. A simple no shouldn't just stop you. Like, do you know how many celebrities, do you know how many musicians have had to hear no before? No's don't mean shit. I would say liquor helps, but I've seen a couple of y'all from only just taking a shot, and liquor should not be your best friend when it comes to confidence. No. You, like, sometimes you really have to think about, like, damn, I cannot mess up on this opportunity. It's 2020. We getting surprises left and fucking right. And it seems like time is really of the essence. So why not just go try some new shit? Like, stop listening to people sitting here saying that you're stupid. Stop listening to people sitting here saying that you should supposed to look a certain way. First of all, fuck them. First of all, nobody should tell you how you should look. Stop caring about what everybody thinks about you. That's what stops your confidence. Fear. I wish somebody was there to sit here and tell me, like, bruh, find your confidence and I guarantee you your shit gonna be lit. Fuck what everybody else think. I'm about to go because I gotta go to work, so I'm a barista. Shit happens. So just find that confidence, be confident in whatever subject or thing that you're trying to do in life, and just fucking do it. Just jump off the bridge. Like I said, the worst thing they can say is no. I guarantee you your shit will be lit. So I'm gonna sign off. I will see you guys again. Deuces.